Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and up until now we've been installing Redcat option parts onto our Gen 8, but today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to install the Proline Ford Raptor body onto our Gen 8 demo truck here, and we've been getting a lot of emails asking what bodies fit the Gen 8 and how do you install them. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to do it. You're going to need the body post that came in your kit and a few tools for body installation. All right, let's get to work. Now our first step to install the body is going to be cutting out the body itself. It's just going to make it much easier to place the body and get it situated on top of the vehicle in order to mark where the body posts are going to be. So use your preferred technique to cut out the body. What we're going to do here is we're going to use some scissors and a hobby knife to basically just cut out the fender wells and the straight lines along the sides, front and rear bumper. And once we do that, we'll show you how to get this thing mounted up on our Gen 8. Okay, so we've roughly cut out our Proline body, and now it's time to turn our attention to the truck itself. Locate the body posts that came with your kit. You'll have some short posts. These will go into the front mount, like so, and these taller mounts are going to go into the rear. Just slide them in for now. We're going to adjust them a little bit later and install the hardware, but first I want to go and pull the front bumper off for now before I start trimming the front of the body to fit the truck. So now with our body mounts in place and our front bumper out of the way, we could go and test fit our Proline body. Just slide it onto the truck. And as you can see here, it's already a pretty good fit. Now the Proline body is a 12.8 inch wheelbase body and the Gen 8 is a 12.76 inch wheelbase. So as you can see, the wheel wells are pretty well aligned and I don't think we're really going to need to make some adjustments here. So we just need to concentrate on mounting the body itself. Now as you can see, the body is sitting on the mounts themselves. So you're just really going to have to align the body to where you like it, make sure the wheel wells are centered in the wheels, and make sure the body is centered side to side. And once that's done, you could go and mark the body posts. Now to mark those body post locations, simply take a Sharpie marker and place a dot directly over the body posts. This is where we're going to drill our holes so the body posts go through. Now with a reamer or a drill bit, drill a 6mm hole in the marks that you made. With our holes drilled, it's time to test fit the body. As you can see, it's already looking pretty good, but I still want to make a few tweaks. The areas I want to concentrate on are the height of the body and the wheel wells. So you're going to want to take your truck and just roll it a bit and see if your wheels catch on the body. This might at full articulation. It's pretty close. But what I want to do here is line the body up with the fender wells that are already there. So the rear is going to have to come up just a little bit, as well as the front. So to do this, now it's time to set the height of the body post. So what I want to do is raise it up from where it was, just guesstimating a little bit, and then put the hardware in to secure the body post. Using the factory hardware, I've now secured the body post to where I think they should be located. Now it's time to test fit the body again. Now, as you can see, the wheel wells look like they line up perfectly. The body could possibly sit a little bit lower, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. In the description below, I'll list the number of holes visible on the front and rear posts in case you want to replicate this height. And now we need to make some decisions about the front bumper. Now this Proline body has a nice molded in bumper and it actually hangs below the front support, so it looks very nice. You could of course run the body like this, or you could trim the front bumper off the body and reinstall the Redcat Racing front bumper. Now, as you can see, the rear bumper is sticking out pretty far. So what we're going to want to do here is remove the two screws that secure the bumper to the mount, slide it in all the way, and reinstall the screws. We've slid the stock bumper in as far as it'll go using the stock mounting holes. You could of course slide it in even farther, drill new holes, and re-secure the bumper with the factory screws. And finally, we'll want to install the cross brace on the rear body mounts. This will help prevent the body from shaking as we drive. And there you have it, the Proline Racing 2017 Ford Raptor body installed on our Gen 8. You could of course adjust the body mounts to adjust the height of the body. Now we'd like to thank Proline for helping us out with this how-to, and part numbers for the products used in this video can be found in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button, and of course we'll see you back here next week for another Redcat Racing how-to video.